I'm under the Congress Bridge and there's a couple million bats flying out right now. I don't know if y'all can see over there or hear them, but about 2,000 people crossing the Congress. Alright, I really did not think I was gonna hook up tonight. I chummed my spot. Basically over here there's a bunch of Trump supporters or non-supporters, I don't even know, I don't really care. They've been screaming get up, fight for the last like 3 hours. But I'm hooked up, I'm in my spot, I'm into something really big. It's not coming up at all. I got a reel. Yeah, this is actually a pretty serious fish. See, there we go. Woo. This is a nice fish. I'm getting towed downstream. Oh, about to lose my rod. Alright, I'm getting into an area where I'll be able to see a little bit more. Alright, here's downtown Austin right here, and I am hooked up to something pretty serious. Here's my rod. Try to get my bend in my rod in there so you can see it. It's a little hard. I'm just barely holding on to this thing with one hand. I'm not doing much here. This is a strong fish. Woo, do you see that? I'm getting towed. Look at that rod. I'm gonna have to get out a bigger flashlight. About to see it, wherever it is. Well, I saw him for a second. Oh, there he is. Big old common carp. Big common. Oh. There. I'm gonna try to bring him up. Woo. There he is, right on top. This thing is pretty massive. That's gotta be almost 30 pounds right there. It's huge. Wow. That's why. Wow, look at that thing. Holy crap. Alright, I got this thing in here. It's literally down to my leg, all the way up to my stomach. I don't think I can get a measurement on it. I don't have a tape measure, but this thing is freaking massive, absolutely massive. All right, so here's my common carp. This thing has got to be 30 something pounds. It is huge. This thing is absolutely massive. This thing is a monster. Wow, I can't even show y'all. Look at that. I'm gonna try to get some pictures of her. There I am in it. Woo! Crazy. I'm gonna try to get a couple pictures if I can. Alright, so here's my giant common carp. I'm gonna go ahead and let her go. She gave me a huge fight and she's all ready to go. I'm gonna pick up the camera, pick up my flashlight so hopefully y'all can see. Here we go, here she goes. Woo! For cows, horses, what I do is I'm gonna